Hey, this is Jay from Fresh Vintage.
Tony from Bendpak.
Hey, we're here at SEMA 2022. Bendpak is going to show us some new products.
This is our latest 10AP series. It has all the features that you've already grown to know. Our 53-inch carriage, door sentries, but our latest and greatest improvements, we basically combine 3 different models into one. So you have an asymmetric and symmetric, as well as a low profile arm. It also has a full 360 arm restraint. This literally was dragging a forklift as we were testing out the arms on this. Our AP series is available in 3 different configurations. We have the standard AP series, which would give you 82.5 inches. We also have an APX if you needed a little bit more rise, that will go up to 89 inches. And if you need a little bit of clearance, we do have a 2-foot extension that you can go ahead and bolt on to give you additional clearance. So if you need to service any vehicles that have the service racks, ladder racks, or whatnot, we got everything that you'll need. And this is the new arm design on our 10AP series. You can lift symmetric and asymmetric, and it's a low profile design. It's also got a new 360-degree arm restraint. So you can see all there, patent pending, made by Bendpak.
you.